let's take a look at our 7 no heat lunches. Remember, you don't have access to anything to heat up your food. So let's get started with the first thing, and that would be a sandwich. When the power goes out, you may find yourself with some deli meat in the refrigerator, and so it's best to go ahead and use that up first. You could pair this with pickles, chips, and a soda, whatever you want to do. So, sandwich is meal number 1. Meal number 2 will also use up some of the stuff in your refrigerator before it goes bad. I've got a chef salad with leftover deli meat, eggs, lettuce, and vegetables. This would also be another good option. Salad dressing is going to, if it's a creamy based one, it's not going to last very long in the refrigerator without any power. It's best to go with a vinaigrette. Those will keep much longer. So if you have a cream based one, go ahead and use it at first. So that's meal option number 2. Meal option number 3 is a chicken salad, which you can pair with some crackers. The tricky thing is going to be with the chicken salad is the mayonnaise. Once the mayonnaise has been opened, it has to be refrigerated. So if you don't have a little cooler to keep your mayonnaise cold, what I would recommend to do, and I've done it, is go on Amazon and you can buy those little single packets that you see at restaurants, and those are fine. You just open them up till you've got all that you need. So right here we have tuna salad. Meal number 4, sliced apples, peanut butter, and cheese. All of these are shelf stable. The apples will last about a week before they start getting soft. So this is meal number 4. Meal number 5 is a white bean, avocado, and tomato roll-up. Again, you could put this with chips or a pickle, whatever sides you have that need to be used up. The white bean is really good because it's in a can, and you just mash up the white beans and spread it on the tortilla with the smashed up avocado. Next option would be Texas caviar. All of these are either vegetables that stay fresh for a while or come from a can. And of course you would pair that with some tortillas. Another option would be ham salad. Again, you're going to have the problem with the mayonnaise, but if you order those little packets, you'll have them. Or if you use up one of those little jars of mayonnaise, then you won't worry about it. I would make sure with this and the tuna salad that you eat it up that day. It's not going to keep without refrigeration. I made this with a canned ham that I got at Aldi. Also, you could use canned Spam, which you can pick up anywhere, and just have a little hand grinder to grind those meats up. Anything that doesn't require electricity. I'll leave a link below on the hand grinder that I use. One extra side note, if you don't want to worry about the mayonnaise, you can get some of these tuna to-go packs, and they've already got the mayonnaise, the spoon, and the tuna in there, so, and some crackers. So you've got that all to go and you don't have to worry about it. These taste okay, and I'm not opposed to them. It's just making your tuna salad from scratch. You're getting a larger quantity, and you're going to have a better flavor. So that's our 7 meals without any power source whatsoever.